A verb tells what a person or thing does. Let's look at some examples of verbs. Mary walks to school. Mary runs to school. Mary rides her bicycle to school. Mary misses school today. We call the verbs walk, run, ride, miss action verbs because they describe a kind of action. You probably know a lot of action verbs. Jump, play, climb, tell, learn. Every sentence has a verb that tells what the subject is or does. The subject is the naming part of the sentence. The verb is the main word of the predicate, the telling part of the sentence. Let's look at some examples of verbs in sentences. My friend plays checkers with me. Our teacher tells a story to the class. I climb the tree in my backyard. The children jump into the swimming pool. You probably can think of many more sentences.